Texas suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton also spent the afternoon in a courtroom. The AG was in Houston for a hearing on his securities fraud case. Now, this is separate from his impeachment trial and the charges he's facing there. Prosecutors say back in 2011, Paxton solicited investors for a tech company without telling them that that company was paying him to promote their stock.
If convicted, these charges carry a punishment of up to 99 years in prison. Marcelino Benito explains what comes next in the trial.
This was AG Ken Paxton in 2017, the last time he had to show up at the Harris County Courthouse as a criminal defendant. Fast forward 6 years, and he was snuck into the courtroom back before a judge as the securities fraud case finally starts to move forward.
I think this judge sent a message that no one's above the law and everybody's treated the same. And while you may get to duck out with your detail, and you still have to sit your behind in that seat like every other defendant.
Paxton sat in the front row while prosecutors and defense attorneys did all of the talking. Paxton was indicted back in 2015 in Collin County. He's facing 2 counts of securities fraud and 1 count of failing to register with state securities regulators. After years of delays over venue, the case will now be heard here in Harris County.
It's a good day for Texas because it's on the road to healing, it's on the road to justice. Finally, something's going to be done, one way or another.
The judge ordered both sides to return October 6th, after Paxton's impeachment trial next month. Prosecutors telling us tonight the outcome in Austin could affect what happens here.
The people all over the state, including the House of Representatives, is starting to see who he is and what he does.
If Paxton's removed by the Senate, his attorneys and prosecutors not closing the door on a possible settlement. His defense team says they still don't know if Paxton could get a fair trial in Democratic-leaning Harris County.
It's really impossible to lay odds or predict on what's going to happen in this case because history has not been a great teacher.
What's clear tonight is this case is picking up speed. Prosecutors have turned over 19 boxes of evidence, including CD-ROMs, dating back to allegations in an indictment now 8 years old.
I think today was the first step in a journey of 1,000 miles to make sure that justice ultimately comes to be.
A long way to go there. Marcelino reporting, Benito reporting there for us tonight. Paxton is also facing a federal investigation for corruption right now.
If that one goes to trial, it wouldn't be until at least January or February of next year.
All right, let's turn